This video walks you through how to switch to Codex and work in the ChatGPT app. ChatGPT Work focuses on automated knowledge workflows like document creation and business operations, while ChatGPT Codex operates as an autonomous engineering agent designed to interact with local files, run code, and build software. OpenAI has unified both of these systems into a single platform. While you access them under the same account, they serve completely different purposes in how they execute tasks. ChatGPT Work is built to act as an agentic operations partner for knowledge workers. It takes high-level objectives, builds an internal execution plan, hooks into Office tools, and generates polished final assets. ChatGPT Codex is designed as an agent workspace built specifically for software engineering and local machine execution. It excels at parsing deeply nested code repositories, navigating complex execution loops, and writing machine executable outputs. If this guide helps you out today, please consider leaving a like to support the channel. To follow along, make sure you have the ChatGPT desktop application installed and your account ready. The application opens in the Work tab, displaying your recent chat history alongside the main prompt area. Switching over to standard chat mode requires clicking the chat button on the top mode toggle. The interface updates to show the message input box and a clean workspace for general inquiries. From here, you can choose between Codex and Work. Open the drop-down menu at the top of the left sidebar to view the available options. The menu lists ChatGPT for general use, Codex for software engineering, along with scheduled tasks and plugins. Select Codex from the list to switch your workspace to the engineering agent. The sidebar now displays your Codex project links, including pull requests and repository managers. The main pane opens to your active coding chat, featuring bash code blocks and Git explanations above the input field. You can now use this environment to parse deeply nested code repositories and execute local software tasks. You have successfully navigated from general workflows to the specialized Codex engineering agent. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to subscribe for more walkthroughs and tech guides.